Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we'll be doing questions based on time. So let's start with the first question. The school clock lost 4 minutes every hour. If it was set correctly at 12 noon, what was it showing when the correct time was 5 p.m.? Now guys, we'll try to understand. So school clock is losing 4 minutes every hour. So every hour it's getting behind by 4 minutes. So after 1 hour, it will be behind by 4 minutes. After 2 hours, 4 times 2, so it will be behind by 8 minutes. After 3 hours, 4 times 3 like this. And the time was set correctly at 12 noon, so 12 in the afternoon. So what is the time? What is the time in the clock when the correct time is 5 p.m.? So what is the difference here is 12 noon to 5 p.m. So they are talking about 5 hours. Now every hour clock is losing 4 minutes. So 1 hour, 4 minutes, 2 hours, 4 times 2. So in 5 hours, it will be losing 4 times 5. It will be losing 20 minutes. So the clock will be 20 minutes behind the correct time. So let us say if the correct time is 5 o'clock, 5 p.m., it's 20 minutes behind. So I think in the school clock, it should be 4 and like 20 minutes behind. So it should be 4 and 40. So 4 hours and 40 minutes. So that is going to be our answer A. Now in the second question, guys, a tap is leaking at a rate of 3 drops per second. So the tap is leaking and every second there are 3 drops leaking. If every drop contains 2 milliliter, so in one drop there's a 2 milliliter of water or liquid, whatever it is. So how long does it take to fill a 6-liter bucket? This is a wonderful question, guys. Yeah, and we're going to find out this, like answer one of them. So what we are going to do is every second, how many drops is, like leaking, we can see like 3 drops per second. So 3 drops per second. So 3 drops every second. And 1 drop is 1 drop equal to 2 milliliter. So 1 drop is 2 milliliter. So 3 drop is 3 multiplied by 2, which is going to be 6 milliliter. So every second, 6 milliliter of water will be leaking. Is it making good sense, guys? Yeah, 3 drops every second. And 1 drop is 2 milliliter. So 3 times 2, 6 milliliter of water is leaking every second. Now, how big bucket do we want to fill? 6 liter. Now 6 liter I can't compare because that's in milliliter, that's in liter. So I'm going to change that 6 liter into milliliter. So 6 liter, then I can multiply by 1000 to change that into milliliter, which will be 6,000 milliliter. Now it will be very, very easy to work out. I want to fill out a bucket with 6,000 milliliter capacity. 6 milliliter every second. So let us say 10 seconds, then 6 times 10, 60. I want to take it all the way up to 6,000. So I can just divide 6,000 divided by this 6. So I can find out the time. Yeah. So that is going to be 1,000 seconds. And again, like that is making a lot of logical sense because every second, 1 second, 6 milliliter, then 1,000 seconds, 6 times 1,000, which is going to be 6,000 milliliter of the water will be leaking. So our time is going to be 1,000 seconds, and that is our option 3, which is the correct answer. Yeah. Question 3 and question 4, they're not very challenging, so we'll try to do it quickly, guys. Yeah. Question number 3 is Julia's train journey takes 4 hours and 20 minutes if the train departs at 9:15 a.m. what time will it arrive at this destination? So we can see the train is starting at 9:15 in the morning. Yes, I can put down 9 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah, like 9 hours and 15 minutes in the morning because they're saying AM. Now, how much time does it take? 4 hours and 20 minutes. I can just plus that time, like 4 hours and 20 minutes of the journey. So that is going to be like 15 plus 20 is going to be 35. So 35 minutes. And we can do like 9 plus 4 is going to be 13. So 13 hour. So we can see 13 hours and 35 minutes. So that's in like a 24 hours clock time. Anything after 12 is going to be in PM actually, because they're using the language of AM, PM should be also converting into PM. So anything after 12. So 12 I can take it off. So you can see after 12 it's going to be 1 and 35 PM. So I can just put down that is nothing else but 1 and 35 PM. That's the time the train will reach at the destination. Now in question number 2, guys, question number 4, which is also a very simple question. A gardener spends 2 hours 45 minutes planting flowers and then 1 hour 30 minutes watering them. How much time did the gardener spend on gardening activities altogether? So basically we can see this time and this time I got to plus it. So I can see like 2 hours and then I have got 45 minutes. And then I'm going to plus that with 1 hour and I got 30 minutes. So whenever I'm plussing, I'll be a little bit careful. Like I'll be plussing minutes with minutes and hours with hours. So 45 plus 30. So 45 plus 10. 55, 65 and 75. So there will be like 75 minutes. And 2 hours plus 1 hour is going to be 3 hours. Now we can see the time is like 3 hours and 75 minutes. But 75 minutes is like more than 60 minutes. So more than 60 minutes, I can take my 60 minute off and I can increase my 1 hour because 1 hour is 60 minutes. If you are saying like 75 minutes doesn't look good, yeah? So I'll take 60 minutes off and I'll increase my hour by 1. So that's going to be 4 hours. And I'm taking 60 minutes off. So 75 minus 60 is going to be 15 minutes. So the gardener is taking altogether 4 hours and 15 minutes in this gardening activity.